What did Jipa give you? A kitty? Should we read it?
A kitty book.
Yeah, what does it say? Do you want Mama to read it?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, kitty.
It says, Happy birthday, kitty?
Yes.
Okay, and what does it say inside?
A dollar.
Adara.
A dollar is right by A.
Adara's right by A? Wait.
Pumpkin Patch toy.
Oh,
Let's not get that.
let's not get that.
That's not toy.
That's not a toy. Can you say thank you to Jipa
Thank you.
for?
A dollar, please.
I think Cecia likes her envelope. And Adara likes the card? Oh, you like Cecia's card too? What does Cecia's card say?
Says it has a birthday.
It says Cecia has a birthday?
Two?
2? Love.
Had to be hands to Christmas.
Oh, you want to bring crayons to Christmas?